Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I'd like to welcome you to an overview of a new collection from FabScraps. Now everything I show you is available individually or together as a collection, and if you're interested to find a stockist or a supplier in your area, please go to the FabScraps website at www.fabscraps.co.za. I'll put the details at the bottom in the description. It'll also be on my blog as well. Now, after this overview, there will be a tutorial on a separate video, a tutorial of using these products. I've got to say, this collection, the Eggstravaganza, is just so cute. It's all for Easter and it's all got bunnies and chicks and eggs, and it is just so stunning. It's pretty, it's beautiful, it's everything that you would expect. So I want to just run through what there is available. As I say, it's individual or a collection, and everything will work together. So the first product is the 15 embellishments. Now these are paper embellishments, and there's tags, there's sentiments. Now there are a couple that I've taken out that you'll see that I use in the actual tutorial. But there's egg-shaped tags, there's tags with little bunnies on, with chicks. Some have got sayings on that says love. That's just a blank one with the cutest little bunny, and they're all different and all so workable with any of your card making, your scrapbooking. They're just gorgeous embellishments that you have to have, and it's not often I say you have to have something, but this collection is just, it's so cute, and you'll see as we go along. So those are our paper embellishments. Next, we've got the 8x8 coordinating pattern papers. Now these, as all FabScrap papers, are double-sided, workable. You can use them for your paper crafting, paper folding. They're a good weight, and they will just work with all of the collection. Next, we have the stencils. We've got bunnies, bows, eggs, and it's just such a great collection. The stencil is 8x8 in size. Use it with your inking, your mixed media, your pastes, your spray inks, things like that. You can get some great effects with that. Next, we've got another stencil sheet. We've got smaller bunnies and bows on this one. You can make a fabulous background, and again, very versatile with all of your mixed media, your pastes, inks, etc., your watercolours. Depends what you want to do, what your favourite craft is, but it's just a great versatile stencil. Next, we have the beer board. Isn't that cool? So this is the beer board with the outside frame and the sentiments, Easter wishes, egg hunt, some bunny loves you. How cute is that? One cute chick, bunny kisses, and then there's the shapes. Ink them, again use them with your mixed media, with your ink sprays, watercolours, with your pens. Add them to your scrapbooks, to your card making, to your general paper crafts. Then we have an egg album, again from the beer board, that you can put together and add all your favourite Easter photos, or decorate it, add flowers, add your Easter bunnies, etc. You know, it's just a great collection. Next, we have the sticker sheets. So we've got 4 sentiments on your sticker sheet here, transparent background, so they will sit on any of the papers. The next sticker sheet is mixed with the chicks and the bunnies. How cute are those? They're just so gorgeous and so perfect for cards and adding embellishments to scrapbooking pages. Next, we have the paper sheets. Now I know these are the things that you're all interested in. These are all double-sided. These are the 12x12 papers. So the first paper is Easter Parade. Look at those gorgeous tags with the little chicks on, parachuting chicks. Bunnies for you, blank tags, border strips, and on the reverse, gorgeous floral small print, and this one's Easter Parade, this paper. The next paper is Sweet Treats. I've used this paper and the embellishments on the tutorial that you're going to see after. It's just so, I keep saying so versatile and so pretty, but there's, you know, it is. So we've got lots of sentiments, borders, strips, bunting strips, little chicks, hot air balloons, and it's just so cute. And on the reverse we've got a smaller pink swirl print, and that one is called Sweet Treats. The next one is called Excitement, E-G-G, Excitement. And we've got the gorgeous little chicks parachuting in, the chicks and the eggs at the bottom, the bunting at the top, and then we've got a floral background. Again, another versatile paper. So now we've got Every Bunny Welcome. How cute is that title? The little chicks and the cracked eggs at the bottom, the chick parachuting, hot air ballooning in, Happy Easter underneath, and the bunting at the top. And the reverse pattern is a gorgeous, it's not a solid, there is a pattern to it, but it's not a floral, it's like a texture, flat texture, and it will work with the rest of the papers. The next paper is called Happy Easter, full of sentiments on one side and the bunnies and the chicks, gorgeous lace borders, gingham borders with the bunnies on, with the chicks and the eggs. And on the reverse we've got a gorgeous stripe that will tone in with everything. The next paper is called Where's the Egg? Again, egg and chick borders, the little parachuting ducks that are coming in, the little chicks, sentiments, so ideal for all your Easter cards, and this gorgeous postcard at the top. And you've got the front, and you could use the other as the reverse. So many ideas with this one. And then on the reverse we've got a geometric pattern. The circles, it makes it look like a geometric pattern, but so usable, I just love it. The next one is called Basket of Treats. Now this one is just a screaming scrapbooking page. And look at those chicks and bunnies down the side and into the corner. Think about the decoupage you could use with them if you were wanting to cut them out, add them to a page, add them to your paper crafting. Maybe you decoupage items, you could cover them with the paper and then use these as your embellishments. Mix media onto the plain section of the paper. It's just so versatile. Nice dark blue pattern on the reverse, and that was Basket of Treats. And then the last paper that we're looking at is called The Hunt Is On. And this is just a full pattern page full of bunnies and chicks and eggs. And isn't that just the cutest paper? Look at the expression on the bunny. And it's just so gorgeous. And on the reverse we've got a dark blue, small pattern blue floral. All working together, all coordinating to make an Eggstravaganza collection. So don't forget, these are all for your paper crafting, card making, scrapbooking, whatever you do crafty, you would be able to use these, as long as it's, you know, paper crafting, shall we say. Use it with your mixed media, use it with so many different mediums, and they all work together. It's just such a great kit, and I'm happy to be able to show you an overview of it, to give you an idea. I keep saying kit, I don't mean kit, it's a collection. It's a collection of supplies and products that are all under one umbrella called Eggstravaganza, and you can buy them individually. So it's just a case of finding a stockist and a supplier near you. So please have a look on my blog. Don't forget, I can't get back to you on YouTube. So it's still the same as we do for all the rest of the projects. I'll put all the details on my blog and underneath in the description on YouTube. I can't reply to you on YouTube because of the glitch on my account, but I can if you want to comment on Facebook. So please check it out. Check FabScraps out if you've never heard of them. Good quality and just so workable are the products. and they are stunning. So I hope you've enjoyed this as an overview. Please watch the next video because that's going to be a tutorial using the Eggstravaganza collection. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.